Before buying natural hygiene products, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Guru Nanda Teeth Whitening Strips. We have the Guru Nanda Teeth Whitening Strips kit, priced at just $9.97. What caught my attention is the non-slip dry strip technology that promises a brighter smile in just 7 days. If you want whiter teeth without the hassle of messy gels, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These strips use a combination of coconut oil and hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide breaks down stains from coffee and wine, while the coconut oil soothes your gums. Plus, with superior adhesion, you can wear them for up to 60 minutes without worrying about them slipping off. Many buyers have reported noticeable results in just a few uses, and it's pretty impressive that over 50,000 of these kits sold last month. Now, some people complained about the taste being a bit off. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit strange at first, the end result of a whiter smile is completely worth it. If you can get past that initial taste, you're looking at a solid product for maintaining your dental health. This is perfect for you if you're someone who drinks coffee or wine regularly and wants an easy whitening solution. Skip this one if you're looking for an instant fix, as it does take time for results to show. For under $10, it's a great value for the number of treatments you get. Now, if the taste of the Guru Nanda strips concerns you, the next product offers a different approach to oral hygiene.
Product number 2, Master Medi Tongue Scraper, available for $8.46. The stainless steel design caught my eye, and it comes with travel cases. If you want fresh breath and better oral hygiene, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Did you know that a lot of bad breath actually comes from the coating on your tongue? This scraper effectively removes that gunk, improving your overall oral health and leaving your mouth feeling fresher. It's designed by over 50 professionals, ensuring it's smooth and easy to use. Plus, you can toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning, and the durable material means it won't rust. Now, some reviews mentioned it being a bit sharp for sensitive tongues, but here's the thing. If you're careful and use it gently, you'll be fine. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you're scraping off the bad stuff without overdoing it. This is perfect for you if you want a simple way to enhance your oral care routine. Skip this if you have extremely sensitive taste buds, as it might not be the best fit. Overall, it's a solid investment in your hygiene. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for feminine hygiene.
Product number 3, VH Essentials Feminine Wash. Let's talk about the VH Essentials pH Balanced Daily Feminine Wash, which is priced at $6.99. I was drawn in by its gentle formula featuring tea tree oil and prebiotics. If you want a natural way to maintain your intimate health, this is worth your time. This wash is designed to gently cleanse sensitive intimate areas and support vaginal health. The tea tree oil helps combat odor-causing bacteria, while prebiotics nourish good bacteria for a balanced environment. This means you get a clean feeling without harsh chemicals like parabens or artificial dyes, which is crucial for sensitive skin. With over 30,000 sold recently, many are loving the refreshing clean it provides. Some users have mentioned it being slightly drying, but here's the deal. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. If you have particularly dry skin, it may not be the best fit, but for many, it's a gentle and effective solution. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, natural feminine wash. Skip this one if you have very dry skin or need something with added moisturizers. For the price, it offers a clean way to care for your intimate health. Now, if you're looking for something that doubles as a body wash, the next product might interest you.
Product number 4, Native Deodorant, available for $12.97. What caught my eye is that it provides 72-hour odor control without aluminum. If you're looking for a natural deodorant that actually works, this is a must-try. The key here is the naturally derived ingredients, including coconut oil and shea butter, which help keep you feeling fresh without the harsh chemicals found in many conventional options. This deodorant glides on smoothly without leaving those annoying white marks on your clothes. It's vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with a lot of people's values these days. Many users rave about the effectiveness, and it's no surprise it sold over 20,000 last month. Some people do complain about the scent being a bit too strong, but honestly, if you're comfortable with a deodorant that makes a statement, this could be your go-to. Just keep in mind that if you prefer a more subtle scent, you might want to try a different option. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, effective deodorant that lasts. Skip this if you're sensitive to strong fragrances, but overall, it gives you solid value for natural ingredients. Now, if you want something specifically for intimate areas, the next product might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Her Fantasy Box Shower Gel. We have the Her Fantasy Box Refresh pH Balancing Shower Gel, priced at $13.58. The natural ingredients and pH balancing formula really grabbed my attention, and if you're looking for a gentle cleansing option, this is worth checking out. This shower gel is designed to cleanse and nourish your skin without any harsh additives. It uses natural ingredients like aloe vera and peppermint oil, which can provide a refreshing feel. Plus, it's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for daily use. With 20,000 units sold recently, many users appreciate its gentle approach to hygiene. However, some reviews mentioned it not lathering as much as they expected. Here's the thing, if you're used to traditional gels, it might take a little getting used to, but if you value natural ingredients and a gentle clean, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a natural, soothing option for your daily shower. Skip this if you prefer a strong lather, but it's a great value for a pH-balanced product that cares for your skin.
We've covered the Guru Nanda teeth whitening strips for an easy whitening solution, the Master Medi tongue scraper for fresh breath, VH Essentials feminine wash for gentle care, native deodorant for long-lasting freshness, and Her Fantasy Box shower gel for a natural cleanse. Each product has its strengths and a few drawbacks, but they all offer something unique for your hygiene routine. Choose what fits your needs best.